Hi guys, what's up? Today I come to talk about a different product for you who want to learn a new profession and increase your income. In these post-pandemic days, many families have lost their jobs and are trying to pay their bills. With Woodprofit you will succeed. Woodprofit is a guide on how to set up your carpentry shop at home. And best of all, you do not need to be a professional woodworker or own a huge workshop with expensive machinery to succeed. And if you are like me and prefer to leave the risk to parachutists and Wall Street henchmen, then you are in good company. Because, starting a profitable woodworking business is not as risky or difficult as you think. Now, if you want an easy business to start that does not require you to fork out an arm and a leg for expensive machines or tools. If you want a business that allows you to work from home and gives you more quality time with your family. If you want something you can do in your spare time that doesn't interfere with your regular job. If you want a business that you can grow into full-time, if you choose to do so. If you want an opportunity that will provide a lot of income, quickly and easily with the skills you already have. Woodprofits is the perfect guide for you. So, are you ready to make your passion your business? Hundreds of people are putting their strengths to work and doing what they love every day as business owners with Woodprofits. Now it's your turn. Stop dreaming and start doing it with Woodprofits today. I hope I've helped, and go to the official website link fixed in the first comment to purchase your guide. See you soon.